Hello and welcome. In this video we will learn some sentences in English and Marathi. So without wasting time, let's start. First sentence is मला नाही वाटत ती येईल. मला नाही वाटत ती येईल. I don't think she will come. I don't think she will come. एकटी जाऊ नको. Don't go alone. Don't go alone. मी तिला का विचारू? Why I ask her? Why I ask her? तिच्या आईला बोलव. तिच्या आईला बोलव. Call her mother. Call her mother. त्याला काही बोलू नको. Don't say him anything. Don't say him anything. तू कधी परत येशील? तू कधी परत येशील? When will you come back? When will you come back? तू तुझा पासवर्ड बदलला का? Did you change your password? Did you change your password? ही चांगली सवय आहे. This is good habit. This is good habit. मी चालत आहे. I am walking. I am walking. मला चालावे लागते. मला चालावे लागते. I have to walk. I have to walk. जाऊ दे, राहू दे. Let it be. Let it be. माझ्याशी वाद घालू नको. Don't argue with me. Don't argue with me. मला पुढे जायचं आहे. मला पुढे जायचं आहे. I want to go forward. I want to go forward. उशीर करू नको. Don't be late. Don't be late. मी आनंदी आहे. I am happy. I am happy. मी नवीन फोन विकत घेतला. I bought new phone. I bought new phone. हे तू चुकीचं बोलले. You spoke this wrong. You spoke this wrong. सर्वांनी एकत्र थांबा. सर्वांनी एकत्र थांबा. All stay together. All stay together. गडबड करू नका. गडबड करू नका. Don't do hurry. Don't do hurry. कुठेही जाऊ नका. Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. आमची वाट पहा. आमची वाट पहा. Wait for us. Wait for us. तुम्हाला रस्ता माहित आहे का? Do you know the way? Do you know the way? तिकडे जा. तिथे जागा आहे. Go there. There is empty place. Go there. There is empty place. तू मला सांगितले नाही. You didn't tell me. You didn't tell me. का सांगितले नाही? Why didn't tell me? Why didn't tell me? मी विचारेन. I will ask. I will ask. कुठे आहेस तू? कुठे आहेस तू? Where are you? Where are you? लवकर घरी ये. लवकर घरी ये. Come soon home. मला भूक लागली आहे. I am hungry. I am hungry. मी आज लवकर पोहोचले. मी आज लवकर पोहोचले. Today I reached early. Today I reached early. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe if you haven't. And if you like this video, please thumbs up me. I will see you soon in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Bye and take care.